guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be reading Pete the Kitty, The Case of the Hiccups. Have you ever had hiccups? I know I have. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccup? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop the hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Do you think that's gonna work? I don't think so. Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Looks like he's a rock and roll. Pete stands on one foot. He hops. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Pete, hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. It's never gonna stop. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Bob. You stand on one foot. And hop up and down and sing a song. And rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Pete asks Mom, "Hiccup, nothing is working." Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," said Bob. You think Mom will do it? Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. You take it. I think that might work. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it," Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone! Moms are so smart. If you enjoyed this book, make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. And make sure you come here for next week's video. Bye! Love you!